I need to replace my air filter.
I need to replace my air filter.
Can you check my spark plugs?
Can you check my spark plugs?
The car pulls to one side.
The car pulls to one side.
Can you check the alignment?
Can you check the alignment?
I need new tires.
I need new tires.
Can you check the tread on my tires?
Can you check the tread on my tires?
The steering feels loose.
The steering feels loose.
Can you check the steering fluid?
Can you check the steering fluid?
I smell something burning.
I smell something burning.
Can you check the exhaust?
Can you check the exhaust?
The car shakes when I drive.
The car shakes when I drive.
Can you check the suspension?
Can you check the suspension?
I need to replace my windshield.
I need to replace my windshield.
Can you fix my bumper?
Can you fix my bumper?
The dashboard lights are flickering.
The dashboard lights are flickering.
Can you check the battery connections?
Can you check the battery connections?
I need a new fuel gauge.
I need a new fuel gauge.
Can you check the fuel lines?
Can you check the fuel lines?
The air conditioning isn't working.
The air conditioning isn't working.
Can you recharge the AC?
Can you recharge the AC?
I need to replace the timing chain.
I need to replace the timing chain.
Can you check the fuel filter?
Can you check the fuel filter?
The car is making a knocking sound.
The car is making a knocking sound.
Can you check the oil level?
Can you check the oil level?
I need to flush the brake system.
I need to flush the brake system.
Can you check the transmission fluid?
Can you check the transmission fluid?
The car won't go into gear.
The car won't go into gear.
Can you check the clutch?
Can you check the clutch?
I need to replace the fuel injectors.
I need to replace the fuel injectors.
Can you check the drive belt?
Can you check the drive belt?
The lights are dim.
The lights are dim.
Can you check the alternator?
Can you check the alternator?
I need to replace the radiator.
I need to replace the radiator.
Can you check the hoses?
Can you check the hoses?
I have a noise coming from the engine.
I have a noise coming from the engine.
Can you check the engine mounts?
Can you check the engine mounts?
The car smells like gas.
The car smells like gas.
Can you check the fuel lines?
Can you check the fuel lines?
I need to replace the brake pads.
I need to replace the brake pads.
Can you give me a quote for the repairs?
Can you give me a quote for the repairs?
Can you explain the repairs needed?
Can you explain the repairs needed?
How often should I get my car serviced?
How often should I get my car serviced?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.